speaking practice.
Multi-language mastery.
Hi friends, we are gonna do a practice time today in all three languages. In this, what you have to do is practicing dialogue. I am telling my line and you have to tell your line which is pop up on the screen. So, what's our plans over the weekend? We are supposed to go for a dinner. Wow, that is a good plan. You are doing always something fun and interesting. Do you have any suggestions? I have tried seafood restaurant here. That is very good suggestion. He likes seafoods, so it would be a good idea. Anyway, thanks for your suggestion. Okay, සතියන්තයේ මොනවා හරි plan එකක් තියෙනවද? plan එක කොහේ හරි රෑ කෑමට යන්න. ඒක නම් හොඳ plan එකක්. මම දන්න විදිහට ඔයා ගොඩාක් මෝදජනක දේවල් කරනවා. මොනවා හරි යෝජනාවක් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? තියෙන restaurant එකක්. ඒක ගොඩාක් හොඳයි. එයාගේ யோஜனாවට බොහොම ස්තුතියි. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது சுவாரஸ்யமான ஒரு இடம் சொல்ல முடியுமா? நான் இங்கு புதுசா திறந்திருக்கிற கடல் உணவு ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்டில் சாப்பிட்டிருக்கின்றேன். அது ஒரு நல்ல ஐடியா. மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம்.